A warm good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As I am finished with my workout session today and focusing on my health and physical fitness, you should also be focusing on that. But when we talk about health in India, the numbers are very concerning. Recently, on the 31st May, we have concluded with the Anti-Tobacco Day. But when we talk about the tobacco consumption in India, it is very concerning for all of us, as per the data of GATS, which is Global Adult Tobacco Survey, which says that the people over the age of 15 years, 29% of them consumes tobacco. The consumption of oral tobacco, which is 21%, is twice as the consumption of smoked tobacco, which is 10.7%. And we are the global leaders of the oral tobacco consumption in the world, which is creating several mouth cancers as well, and hence we are the global leaders in mouth cancer as well. The mouth cancer in India is increasing at a compound rate of 21%. More than 20%. The numbers are very concerning. It will shock you. The people are getting highly addictive of the tobacco. The 90% of the people who consumes tobacco knows about the harmful impacts of the tobacco, but they are still consuming it because it is very addictive to them. Many of them want to discontinue the consumption of tobacco, but they are not able to do so, because what it contains nicotine, which provides the addiction effect. Once you start consuming tobacco for the months, it will become addiction for you to have it. You will need it like you need water. You will need it to feed your cravings. This tobacco consumption impacts harshly on the health. It creates mouth cancer. It provides the lung diseases, cardiovascular diseases, bladder diseases, and several cancer as well. But what will you say about lot of social media influencers who have a lot of numbers of social media followers, but they will say, Bolo Zuma Kesri. They are promoting tobacco consumption. They are promoting several brands of this tobacco. So this is very concerning for all of us, as the lot of youth of India are following these influencers. Though it is legal to promote, though it is legal to have such advertisement on the social media or on the televisions, but it is not ethical for them. Thank you.